Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Renia Snayati. I am 36 years old. I come from Banten of Indonesia. My religion is Muslim. My last education junior high school. I am widow. I have two children. My weight is 70 kg. My height is 158 cm. My experience before in Jakarta 2 years, my job is take care baby, washing, cooking, cleaning the house, and marketing. Before in Taiwan, 6 months, my job is take care elderly, washing, cooking, cleaning the house, and marketing. I can cook Chinese food, steam eggs, steam fish, chap-chai, and soup. I can cook handle pork, but I cannot eat pork. I won't go to Hong Kong because I need more money for my family and my future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye bye.